so rainy today. What can we do today, Bingo?
Yeah, it's so yucky outside.
So rainy day. I really want to go to the pool. Rainy days are no fun.
Now if we ask Mum so nicely, she might go to the shop and give us a rainy day activity.
It's a great idea, Bingo. Mom!
Hi, little ones. What's up?
Mom, we're bored.
Yeah, it's so yucky outside.
Mom, seeing you go to the shops, can you please get us a rainy day activity? How about a science experiment? We'll be learning about science at school.
Great idea. Let's do a rainy day science activity.
Mom's up to shops. Let's do something fun to do. How about we dress up and do a fashion show?
Now, they didn't want art and craft. Now, look, we have a little chemistry set.
I'm a crocodile.
I'm a snake. Ah! What's that song that sings?
Crocodile Crocodile Snake Snake, bake your eggs into a cake.
Yay!
Let's sing that to Dad when he gets home.
Yay!
How about we dress up and do a fashion show?
I'm a ballerina.
I'm a dancer.
I'm Priscilla, Queen of the Desert.
I'm a superhero.
Yay!
Look what we've got. We've got some science equipment.
Yay! Yeah, great, we can't wait to do that.
Now, we open up the chemistry set, open everything up. We have rubber gloves and some chemicals. We've got some instructions.
Yay!
Open everything. We have rubber gloves and some chemicals. All right, here we've got some calcium chloride. And over here we have some baking soda. Did you know you can make biscuits or a volcano with this?
Let's make biscuits.
Let's make a volcano.
Now, when you do science, you have to be safe. So we're going to put on some safety goggles.
Yay!
Cool, a real scientist now.
Okay, now we have to make sure we read the instructions carefully. So we're going to mix baking soda and vinegar. And hopefully we'll have an exciting explosion.
An explosion!
Yay!
We've done our spoon. We've put the lid back on, and now we're going to put the baking soda into the test tube. Are you ready to mix them up?
Yeah, we're ready.
Yeah, we're ready!
3, 2, 1.
Go, go.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Yay! That was amazing, Mom.
Thank you, Mommy.
I think that's Dad home. Should we get him to play the song that you like?
Yay!
Alright kids, here's your favourite song.
Crocodile, crocodile, snake,